Hi, I'm Dr. Sajjad from District Chinnaud, Punjab, Pakistan. We are going to show you the sowing method of sugar beet in Pakistan. And almost same methodology is adopted in India at Rana Sugars Limited, Chandigarh. Here you are seeing an implement with the iron wheel and iron hooks fixed at proper distances. They make the marks at 6-inch distance where the seed is sown singly manually. When this tractor will move, we will show in the next video how it will make ridges at 18-inch distance wide to keep, they are 21-inch wide to make the plant to plant road, the distance between plant to plant, row to row distance, to maintain the distance between rows as 18-inch and then plant to plant distance as 6-inch. As you see in the next video, we will operate the tractor, and then you will see how the ridges are made and how the marks are made. Afterward, in the next video, I will show you how the labor sow the seed in those marks. We are going to show you how practically sugar beet seed is cultivated, is sown, is drilled in Pakistan, and almost same method is adopted in India. Here 98% cultivation of sugar beet is done manually. It's not through machines. Here you see an implement as I have shown you in the previous video. It has a hook fixed at 6-inch distances to make the marks as you see here. This one, and this one. This implement will make ridges 21-inch apart. Then the labor will come and will sow or drill the seed by hand in these holes, which are 6-inch apart. Row to row distance is kept as 18 inches, while plant to plant distance is kept as 6 inches. Now I will show you how the tractor will move and it will make the ridges and these marks simultaneously. Please, observe the lines. Show how this is making mark by bringing the camera close to the hooks. Okay. Here you have seen how the hooks are making marks or holes where the labor will come and drill the seed by hands at 6-inch apart. In the previous videos, we have shown you the land preparation and making of ridges and making of marks for manually sowing these sugar beet seed. Here you are seeing, viewing how the sugar beet seed is manually drilled in Pakistan, and almost same method is adopted in India. After making the ridges and marks, as you see, the labor put the single seeds in the holes by hands. And 98% sowing in Pakistan, sowing of sugar beet in Pakistan and India is done manually. As you see, the labor that drilling or putting the seed into the holes by hand. previous video I have shown you the 15 days crop. Now I'm showing you just 4 or 5 days crop that was sown 11 days earlier. Just have a look at this. This is 4 to 5 days crop or seedling, and you see the plant to plant distance is 6 inches, and then the row to row distance is 18 inches. I will request if you can show from this side. Thank you. Surely I will keep you showing about the different growth stages or different production technologies used in Pakistan for sugar beet and for irrigation. Here the first irrigation was applied immediately after sowing. If you can show the soil, now the soil is ready to be irrigated again. Almost 10 or 11 days has been passed since the first irrigation. I just want to show about the crop production technology of sugar beet in Punjab, Pakistan. Almost same technology is adopted. By technology I mean sowing methods, sowing geometry. Same technology is adopted in Indian Punjab also. Here you see it's almost 15 days crop. It was sown on 15th of October. Today is 5th November. And you see the plant to plant distance is 6 inch, and row to row distance is 18 inch. The irrigation application depends upon the presence of soil moisture in field. Here, if you can turn the camera around the rice crop, yes, the sugar beet is sown after rice crop, and too much irrigation is applied to rice crop here in Pakistan and India. So the first irrigation usually it is delayed somewhat, but here the first irrigation was applied immediately after sowing, and then the second irrigation was applied 7 days after the first irrigation. I will keep you showing the sowing to harvesting different stages of sugar beet right from beginning to the end. In previous videos I have shown you the 5 days crop and a 15 days crop. Now I'm just showing you a 1 month crop of sugar beet. Here you see quite good germination, a healthy crop, no disease, no insect pest. These are sugar beet varieties from Maribo Hilleshag, Denmark. And the plant to plant distance, as I have shown you earlier, is 6 inch, and row to row distance is 18 inches. I will keep you showing how the sugar beet is cultivated, sown and harvested right from beginning to the end in Pakistan and India through the live videos from the field as I'm doing today. I will welcome your queries. All queries, questions and comments, they are very welcome. Thank you, Dr. Sajjad from Pakistan.